In this lesson, we will take a look at how to set up your custom profile in MakeFriends. This will reflect your wants and needs. Chapter 2 has a host of features to add to your profile. Each one is totally optional, and you may change them at any time you wish. Filling this out is fast and easy. Let's take a look at the main interface. Customize to make your profile really rock. In this present version, there are 15 major function choices to customize in your profile. We will cover each one in the order listed on the screen. We suggest, if nothing else, you fill out 3 items in your profile: the face, about yourself, and a 30-character description. We will cover these all later in this chapter. Okay, let's look at changing the default blue mail icon I have. Select Pre-Approved List. We supply a variety of clip art pictures or photos for you to use. Let's look at some other options. I want to use a photo I have on my iPhone. Click on the photo library or camera roll. I will select a photo of my puppy in the upper left. Normally, we suggest a clear face shot of yourself. On the profile page, I will select single and I am straight. Everything is optional, and you can change at any time later if you wish. People are looking for you. You're the best. Help them find you. These are items you are interested in. This also helps others match on the items you have selected. I have friends already selected. I will also select that I am interested in chat and going out to lunch or dinner. You may select any, all, or none on this scrollable list. Staying on the same topic of interest, you may have special interests you want others to know and match on with you. I will enter 2 of my interests: beach and volleyball. Use a single word here so others may match on it. Don't use something like beach sunsets. If people want to match on beach or sunsets, they won't find you as a match. Now, tell others about yourself and what you want them to know about you. This is where you tell your story about yourself to intrigue others. People like to read about you. The more information you give, the better. Having just a picture and a list of interests is boring, and people won't message you. Give them a reason to want to contact you and talk to you. In this example, I will keep it short just to show how this is done. I like to go to the beach. You can write as much as you like, and if you're web savvy, you can use HTML for color, size, etc. If you make a mistake, you can hit the revert button to wipe out what you had been typing. You can click on the view button to look at how your profile looks now. This is helpful when you're doing complex HTML coding. Now here's an exciting option. This description is a very popular and important item. This will be up to 30 letters and will show next to your photo in the list view. It lets people know at a glance whatever information you wish to share. Type something in here to tell people what I am interested in at the moment, and maybe find someone to go to a movie with tonight. I want to go to a movie. Here is how it is shown in the list view. Robert, and my photo, and also what I typed in. Some people use this as a mini tweet, and they change and update it a few times a day. The background, or some call it their wallpaper. I will show you how to add some extra style to your profile. The default is a plain white background. Let's look at some of your choices. Color. You may select any solid color you wish for your background of your profile. You may want something fancier like a picture. Tap on Choose Background Picture. You can also use your own pictures here. We will show you how to use the provided backgrounds. Sticking with my interests and format of the beach, I will select in the upper right the fish background. After you've made a selection, we will show you a mini form with the picture, in this case the fish background. You may also view what it looks like on your profile to show you what others will see along with any text you have typed in. Okay, back to the profile chapter. Maybe you want to add buzz to your profile and have a movie clip from YouTube to enhance whatever you're interested in. Here is how to do it. Quit out of MakeFriends and run Safari. Find a YouTube video you like. I will select a song from the Beach Boys. Select email. Find the code needed. Select and copy it. Quit out of the email program and run MakeFriends again, going back to the profile. Select the YouTube item and make friends. Paste the information you just copied from YouTube that was in the email. That is what the paste will look like. Select Done in the bottom right. You will see the code we need and your YouTube mini picture. The small picture will show on your profile page. You'll see the name now shows up on your profile page. The video will also now be an option for people when they open your page. After you have finished Chapter 2, take a moment and go to the Find on the map. Go to the username. Take a look at New York and see how it adds to the interest on any profile. Let's look at the position choice. This lets you alter how your location shows up at your present last known GPS location. MakeFriends uses the GPS function on your phone. For privacy reasons, you may want to have it offset your actual location in a random direction and up to 5 miles away. Or you can have it show your exact location. You may use the manual function to place your location anywhere in the world. You can enter in the GPS location, or I find it much easier to use the map view. Scroll to that area and double-click where you want to show up. You may turn this on and off at any time. You may change the way distances are shown in MakeFriends. We select this based on the country you're in. You can change this from miles to kilometers if you wish. If you need to protect your information, you may set up MakeFriends with the use of a password to enter. If you use this feature, it will ask the password every time you start up MakeFriends, or until you disable it. I will enter XYZ as my password, then confirm it. If you wish others to email you, you will need to fill this area out. We do not verify if the address is correct. Also, if you wish others to be able to click to call you, you need to fill out your phone number here. If you want to be alerted when someone messages you when you are not in the MakeFriends program, use push notification. This will alert you. Use the suggestion box to let us know if you have any problems or any things you would like us to add to the next version of MakeFriends. And that wraps up the profile part using this version of MakeFriends. We know this is a lot of choices. Keep in mind, everything is totally optional, and you may change any of them at any time. We do recommend that you use a photo of yourself along with some text story of your interest, and last but not least, the description that will show up in the list view. Change your face icon and description often to get people's attention. As you can see, doing those 3 things only take a moment. MakeFriends, it's that easy.